I'm advocate Dhaval Zaveri.
Okay.
We have filed an application for interim relief. The other side has sought time to file reply, so it's kept next week. Then we go ahead with the matter. Let's see. And we have
Next week
requested
when it is?
the same Monday.
Who
We requested
has sought time to reply?
the other side, the respondents.
Both of them.
Yeah, both of them, because they are being appearing through a common advocate.
Oh.
So they have sought time to file reply. We have said that if something can be worked out, is a matter of convenience. An advance copy will be served upon us so that we can go ahead on Monday itself.
तुमची इंटरिम रिलीफ किती
On interim relief from restraining the respondents from acting in the sessions of the assembly starting from 15th of June.
ओके
So our limited interim relief is only on that point, saying that is deemed to have been disqualified.
किती टाइम मागला यांच्यानी
1 week's time.
1 वीक
To the application for interim relief, to the main matter they have sought 4 weeks. To the principal application.
ओके सो नेक्स्ट हियरिंग
Next hearing should be on Monday because 1 week's time is granted.
So you are just 1 week time. You are
Yes, they have sought 1 week's time.
Thank you.
Thanks.
आजगावकार आणि पावसकार दोगूय सकाळी कांय वेळा खातीर सुनावणेक हाजीर रावले आणि फुडें आपलो आदवोगाद सुनावणेक आसतलो म्हूण सांगून भायर सरले.
आज रिप्लाय फायल केलो तुम्ही.
करतलो आदोगाद कितें आहा तें
रिप्लाय फायल.
लीगल बाजू कितें आहा तें करतलो
ओके. चल्ले तर तुम्ही.
आदोगाद अटेंड करतलो न्ही
ओके. कोण आडवो तुमचो?
सरेश टोटलीचे
आयला?
येतलो आतां 8:30.
बीजेपीत उडी मारिल्ले मगोचे आदले आमदार बाबू आजगावकार आणि दीपक पावसकारा आड अपात्रता याचिका हायकोर्टान फाटल्या सप्तकांत भायर मारिल्ली. हो इशू सभापती मुखार आसा. ते याचिकेचेर सभापती ठरावीक वेळा भितर योग्य निर्णय घेतलो अशी आस्त उक्तावन सभापतीन ती याचिका निकालांत काडिल्ली. आतां सभापती सुनावणी घेता. प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आणि ओमकार फळारी.